Hello student, welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to take the class for second standard. In this video we are going to study that is in the sky. Okay, here today we learn about the directions. Okay, see here the Pavan is standing face to the east. Pavan is standing face to the east. The coconut tree is north of Pavan. The coconut tree is north of Pavan. Okay, then here the south there is cow. The south there is cow. Then the dog is the west. Okay, here we learn about east, west, north and south. Okay, take out your textbook. Okay, see here children, in the sky observe the sun, moon and the star are identified their characteristic, identify the east, west, north and south direction. Okay, see here in this picture, here see here, what time is there? What time is there? This is sun is rising, it is morning. The sun is rising, it is morning. What do you see in the sky during the day? We can see the sun during the day. Okay, see here, right here you have to what you are seeing in the daytime. Little child, I am the sun, I will be seen in the day. I give you light. Sun gives us light, right? In the day time sun will be there, at the time light will be there. Okay, sun will be there, at the time light will be there. Okay, see here, in the night time sun will be not there, at time light will also not be there. Okay, see here in this picture, sun is rising, now it is done means day. Okay, here see here, I am the center of the sun, it is noon. I am the center of the sun, it is noon. Okay, so next, I am setting in the evening. The sun is setting in the evening. Okay, do you know the direction in which I rise and set? Look at this picture. Sun rise in the east direction. Rihanna stand face sun and watch sun is rising. Okay, see here, sun is rising. Rihanna is watching how is sun is rising. Now see here, Rihanna back is toward the west, sun is west, sunset in the west. Here sunsetting, here sunsetting in the west. Rihanna, her left side, see here, her left hand and showing a tree. The tree is north direction, the tree is north direction. Now see here in this picture, Rihanna's right hand towards the house. This is south. Rihanna house in the south direction. Rihanna house is the south direction. Okay, children, stand facing the direction I rise and identify east, west, north and south direction. Here Pavan is standing here and he is observing the picture. Complete the following sentence. Okay, see here, the coconut tree is to the north of Pavan. The coconut tree is to the north of Pavan. You have to write here north, N-O-R-T-H, north of Pavan. The dog is the west, W-E-S-T. You have to write here west. The dog is the west. Towards the south there is cow. You have to write here cow, C-O-W, cow. Play and enjoy. Complete the playing ground with your friends. Standing face the sun. The play game is identify remaining three direction. The one who identified the correct direction wins the game. Okay, see here, some pictures are given here. Birds are flying in the sky. See here, birds are flying in the sky. The cows are rearing. He is feeding. Then children are going to the school. Here children are playing. Yes, children are going to fair. Fishing here. Okay, See here children, look at the picture. See here children, look at the picture. These are some words done during the time with the help of your teacher and elders. Identify the work, what, and write them in the box given. Okay, there all are the games are playing daytime. Okay, don't look at the sun with your neck eye. There are special spectacles prepared to see the sun. Take the help of teachers or elders to see the sun through these spectacles, that is Google. Okay, it is time for me to set now. It will get dark. Dear children, see the sun now. Okay, see here the sunset. Now the sunset is in the day will be dark. Then what do you see in the night? What do you see in the night? You have to write here moon and stars. See here moon and stars. We see moon and star at the night. I am the sun. I am visible in the sky during night. See my shape every night. My shape undergoes changes. Does not it when I am fully visible. It is the full moon day. When I am not visible, it is the new moon day. Okay children, do it children. 15 squares are given below. Watch the sky from the full moon day till the new moon day. Draw moon shape here every day. Okay, draw, you have to draw here moon shape every day. Children, you have seen us also in the sky during night, haven't you? Okay, see here there are stars. They twinkling in the sky at night. Can you count these stars? No, we cannot count the stars. Okay children, see here sun, moon and stars. You have to join the dots and you have to color it. Sing and enjoy. Rising up in the east in the sun, giving out his heart to all. The birds started flying from their nest. All are working at their best. Pretty moon, shining too bright, join with the stars and play the whole night. Twinkling little star, come to me dear ones. Let us shine in your light and play with you all night.